এখানে দিলে ভালো ছিল।
Back to the lordships. Back to mention item number 15, hearing matter, my lord. Some personal difficulties today. Can it be, my lord, listed on 21st of July? We have a little bit of urgency, my lord. Let it be on 21st of July. I have to come anyway. 21st of July.
As learned Senior Counsel Mr. D. Pangi, with the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on 21st of July.
All right. All right.
With leadership, Madam, item number 13, criminal appeal. Madam, I do not have the, I am not given the copy of the paper book.
Okay.
16, sorry. I am 16, 16. Sorry.
16.
16.
You don't have a copy of the paper book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll ask them to get you a copy.
16.
Registry will give you the copy, no? You
Yes. Yes.
appointed the amicus curiae.
I mean, yes.
Okay. Learned Counsel Mr. H. Lambu has submitted that.
No, ma'am. T-son.
T-son. Item number 16, no?
16, ma'am.
Learned Counsel Mr. T-son has submitted that he has not been given a copy of the
Paper book.
So basically to furnish a copy of the paper book to the learned amicus curiae.
My lord.
Mr. T-son. Is the matter
After vacation?
after summer vacation?
All right.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship. Here, the conducting counsel, Mr. M. Chanda, appearing for respondent number 1. He could not appear due to some personal difficulty today, Your Lordship. Kindly adjourn the matter for the day.
Your name?
K. Lawyer, Lordship.
Learned Counsel Ms. T. Loya on behalf of Learned Counsel Mr. M. Chanda have you taken consent from the other
Yes,
side?
yes, Your Lordship.
Consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. Leave the matter after.
Lordship, the matter may be kindly fixed for 28th of July.
Leave the matter on 28th of July.
Much obliged.
I would like to mention item number 4 and 5, Your Lordship. As the leading counsel is out of session, Mr. S. Koyang, so may this matter adjourn for 2 weeks.
Your name?
M. Dolyang.
Learned Counsel Mr. M. Donyang.
Dolyang.
On behalf of Learned Counsel Mr.
S. Koyang.
Esquire has you've taken consent from the other side, no?
Yes.
With the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. List the matter after summer vacation.
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Madam, may I mention item number 17, my lord?
17.
1717, my lord. My lord, as consented by the senior counsel, my lord, from the Guwahati-based lawyer, my lord. My lord, as he informed me, my lord, that he's not in a position to come, my lord, physically.
But
So,
I
my lord,
appear
but-
for on behalf of Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, my lord. I'm P. Bharadwaj for the petitioner's counsel, my lord. Let the matter be fixed on 2nd, my lord. Due to some personal difficulty, we couldn't travel to Itanagar today. On 2nd of July, may I pray, my lord?
Dear CGC,
No, my lord, here I am appearing on behalf of private respondent only, my lord.
Learned Counsel Senior Counsel, no? Mr. M. Kato has prayed for adjournment. Learned Counsel Mr.
P. Bharadwaj.
P. Bharadwaj is present on behalf of. Okay. You are P. Bharadwaj, Plavan Bharadwaj.
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel Mr. Plavan P. Bharadwaj is present for the petitioner. List the matter when you want.
2nd of July, my lord.
2nd July.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 1 and 2.
Well, although item 1 and 2 are tagged together, item 2, it has already been admitted. Item number 1 is fixed for consideration on the maintainability of the PIL.
And I'm for the item number 2, my ladyship.
In item number 1, my lord, what had happened, the earlier set of counsels had withdrawn. And I don't know whether someone has been engaged or not.
don't think so.
On last 2-3 occasions, in fact, my Lord Justice Habung had the occasion on one occasion, I think.
Yes.
On
You
two-
won't
Not-
represent
not
item number 1?
No, I'm only for item number 2, my lady.
We'll ask to inform them then, rest will inform them then,
That order has already been passed also.
already passed. Okay, let me see when was it passed?
Last.
File number.
Five.
At side, huh?
Mm.
In respect of the petition has been received after service of notice, the same is placed on record. Okay, Registry has informed, and then Office Note 16/2026. AD in respect of petitioner has been received after service of notice. This has been served already. So, and the same is placed on record, 16. I don't think petitioner is very interested.
It appears to be so. But since it's a PIL,
One day,
perhaps, my Lord, it may not look
One-
proper. Your Lordship may fix it after, by giving them some reasonable time. Maybe sometime in August, my Lord, your Lordship can fix it. In the meantime, if they want to engage, they can engage. I have to come back again on, there are 2 matters fixed on 4th of August. Your Lordship may fix it on 4th of August.
the petitioner is not represented today. However, Office Note dated 16/2026 indicates that
Yes.
so notice has been served to the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner is accorded, petitioner is accorded time to be, to appoint any advocate. If the petitioner so desires, within 4th August, within 4/8/2026, to stop learned AG, Mr. I. Chaudhary is present for the government of AP, and you
He is assisting me, my Lord.
assisted by X Kapil.
Your Lordship may make an observation that this is the last chance because this has been going on for the last several occasions.
Okay, last chance is accorded to the petitioner to for appearance.
Right.
Item number 2, you are representing the petitioner for item number 2, no?
Yes, my ladyship.
Learned counsel means
M. Jarang,
Aru learned AG actually assisted by learned government advocate, no?
Senior government.
Stepping is present for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. This matter on
within 4th August.
Right. 4th of August.
Item number 6.
Well, as per last order, executive engineer, he was directed to file a status report and with the detailed work plan for completion of the road construction. And they were personally called to appear before this honorable court. The executive engineer, the contractor, or both are here.
last order,
Yes,
Your Lordship.
26/5.
Yes.
Yes, Your
What was the direction?
to appear before this court personally, the executive engineer and the
Order considering we direct the executive engineer, contract person to appear and remain present on the next week. Taking serious note of the different approach. What was the direction given? Why they have called? Why they have called?
Direction to file a
actually the project is pending for 16 years and we have filed this petition PIL in 2023 and till now they haven't completed the project.
What project is it?
It is road construction.
Okay.
So the project was started by NEC and NEC have withdrawn their fund in 2024. So in between there was some lapses and they were not constructing the road, but they haven't informed this court after filing this PIL. And after after that, in between when there was lapse and they were not constructing, and the last year they have informed this court that NEC have withdrawn and they have taken the amount of 16 crore which was pending there. And the project was started in 2008, and in between 2013 and 2021 there was 5 extensions of this project. But in between that, the NEC haven't said anything that what is going on and whether projects is going on or not. But when we filed this petition in 2023, just after that 3-4 months, the NEC have withdrawn, and we have made party to them, but it's been 3 years, they haven't appeared and they haven't made any affidavit before this court. And now the state is saying that state is funding, and last year they have allocated 12.50 fund, which is already like finished, and that fund is not there, and they haven't filed any record of that, how much they have spent, where they have spent, they haven't filed any record. And this year they have allocated 9 point something. So for that, just yesterday they have filed affidavit, and in that affidavit they have said that now they have balance of 5.7. So 1 year they have done after leaving the NEC, but last year's there is no utilization certificate, there is no report which should have been filed by the concerned commissioner and the secretary of that department, PWD, and we have made party to them. They are responsible, and they haven't filed any record, any affidavit, they haven't filed. So we are seeking this, I'm praying before this court that the NEC should be responsible, first of all, because they are the
They were initially.
Yes, they have initiated this
given
project.
Work order.
Yes, they have initiated the work in 2008, and they haven't said anything, and not responding to this court, they have just withdrawn. Neither they have given reason, any reason that why they have withdrawn or what the issues they have faced in this project that they couldn't complete, and they couldn't ask any report from the state. At least before withdrawing their fund, at least they should have been informed this court what are the reasons why they are withdrawing. They haven't informed this court.
It was earlier taken over by MOT, NEC.
Yes, NEC. It is a,
Now the PWD
Now
is taking over.
yes,
Now the PWD
fund,
is working.
it is funded by NEC.
Yes, what do you have to say?
In fact, this project was initially funded by the NEC. NEC is not the executing agency, it is the funding agency. Now, it started in the year 2008. But however, because of some delays and some corruption done in this while executing this project went on for several years. There has been criminal cases registered and all investigation. So there was a halt in between. In the meantime, since it was a very long delayed project, the NEC is the funding agency, so they withdrew the fund. Whatever was utilized, the remaining balance, they withdrew because they gave up the project, saying that since state was given ample time to execute, the fund was released, but they couldn't utilize it. They withdrew the fund, and the remaining balance was returned back to the NEC, which was deposited again to the Union Exchequer. Now, the remaining portion of the land, of the construction, the state government has started to take up by their own fund. That is the problem. Now the NEC has nothing to do. Now the state government is funding it, the remaining portion of the construction. So if my lord will kindly see our additional affidavit, this at page 238. There was in fact, because of the delay in the progress of the construction, the NEC ultimately withdrew the fund. Page 238, this is the type copy.
You are for the NEC?
No, man, I'm for the state.
State for the.
Yes, this is,
For the contractors. For the contractors.
yes.
And this is a type copy, my lord. In pursuant to the decision in the meeting held on 12/12/2023, under the chairmanship of Secretary NEC to review the ongoing projects which are more than 3 years old, it has been decided by the competent 238,
238.
238,
Your
Can
Lordship,
you read
it's additional affidavit. They have filed
additional
yesterday.
238. 238. Yesterday we filed a status report.
This is not the, this is the petition, I think. This is the petition. You have got additional affidavit?
Yes. Last.
I got it.
My lord has seen. This is the type copy, my lord. Office memorandum. In pursuant to the decision taken in the meeting held on 12/12/2023 under the chairmanship of Secretary NEC to review the ongoing projects which are more than 3 years old, my lord. It has been decided by the competent authority to close the following project from NEC. Against the NEC's release of rupees 153 crore, the government of Arunachal has submitted the UC for the amount spent and returned the balance of rupees 16 crore to CNA account, which has already been refunded to the Consolidated Fund of India. And as such, there is no utilized amount lying with the state government for this project. Government of Arunachal Pradesh will complete the balance work of the road as per sanction provision from their own resources and also maintain the project thereafter. So this NEC has withdrawn the fund. The remaining balance has been deposited. Now, this was in the year in 12/12/2023. So there were funds this year also allocated at page 239. This was under the budget estimates. My lord will kindly see the annexure to page 241 at serial number 12.
Okay.
Serial 241, serial number 12, gave funding for completion of Seppa Siang Tajor Road. 950 crores was allocated, and this was released, gave funding. The expenditure, administrative approval and expenditure sanction was on 18 March 2026. Now, this funding was on 18 March 2026. So, the department now, they are going to complete the work. But however, the remaining work, maximum is the blacktopping, which cannot be done in the monsoon seasons because of the incessant rain. My lord will kindly come back to page 234. This is 234 of this affidavit. What are the
234.
balance work? At para 7, we have given the table of the works to be done and the achievements. Serial number 1, WBM 1, 15 kilometer scope of works physical 15.5 and achievement 15.5. Then WBM 2, scope of work is 35 kilometer and achievement is 35 kilometer. WBM 3, here scope of work is 53.50 kilometers work and 45.80 is remaining.
Okay.
Achievement. So remaining will be around 7.
Not much.
Not much. 7 kilometer, 7 and black
See, I
topping.
think, it is not visible for them. That is why they are before.
No, my lord,
Let me complete.
they are not working. It's been since
Yes,
last year they are not working. They are just lying. They have just typed it. It's been 3-4
Now
affidavits
these are on affidavit. These are the scope of works and the achievement, and my lord will kindly come to page 235. WBM 7.70 kilometer is remaining, and the work plan is the work to be started from September, 20th September. Because now, because of this monsoon season, it will not be feasible to start the work. Just because the funds are sanctioned, we directly go start the work at the behest of the petitioners. That will not be fruitful because it will be washed out in the incessant rain. And black topping, my lord, that 15 kilometers is remaining. So as per this work plan, the department is planning to initiate the work only in the month of September, not during this monsoon season.
Just a moment.
So this BT 15.80, 15 kilometer, 800 meters, my lord. This also, all this works. Of course, there has been considerable delay in the completing the work. But now, since because of this monsoon season, incessant rain going on, these black topping and WBM laying, whether it will be for,
We also had monsoon in Assam.
yes,
Say that engineers and the contractor are present.
yes, ma'am. Contractor is also there and the executive engineer also is here.
Because as you say that there has been a considerable delay,
Yes.
what actually the difficulties they are facing and what is the status, the physical status? Can you just call them and explain if there is?
Yes, ma'am. Because first of all, the difficulty
Inordinate delay. As everybody knows, it
inordinate delay,
appears.
there were many reasons because
And
of
now monsoon season, everybody knows
Yes.
what is monsoon season and what is not.
previous years because of the fund,
Mm.
the
Far also because they did not execute. That is why they.
yes, because the NEC withdrew. In
Stop.
the meantime,
Hmm.
there was a gap because the NEC withdrew the fund and the state government had to.
What you say, NEC, while NEC was working, while NEC, they were working under the NEC.
Yes.
fund. It just started from according to her 2008 and it continued till 2023.
Yes, yes, that we accept. Here because initially when the work started, in between, I've already submitted. There were many corruption charges, FIRs lodged, case registered.
Stalled.
All work was stalled, misuse of fund, all sort of things. But after this PIL, because all these things, because of which NEC also had to withdraw the fund. Because of the delay. Now we are trying to complete it. This particularly this executive engineer, since he has taken charge, he is only for completion of this project.
As per the earlier undertaking, it was to be completed by the month of May.
May
March,
now
March
what
30.
May 26, it was 30th
Yes.
of May.
Yes.
But because of the fund,
Now, what were the difficulties? Let him explain.
yes,
What are the difficulties and what the plan he has in
Actually,
his
sir,
mind execute
main
in another?
difficulty
Hmm.
was due to fund flow. Actually, during 2023-24, we have been told by the NEC office that this 16 crore 27 crore, which is what the amount was in the central nodal account, CNA. It was previously under SNA, state government account. But due to this certain investigation and SIC cases, the fund could not be utilized at the time. So after that, we started to when we restarted the work in 2023-24, we have been verbally assured by the NEC that this balance fund will be released by March. So accordingly, we have taken up the work, and we have set a target to complete the work that year itself. But suddenly, without informing us, the NEC that work was closed, and the amount 16,427 627 lakhs was withdrawn all of a sudden. That's why the department were pushed to liabilities. There was also liabilities, also existing liabilities, and in 2023 also we have inadvertently.
Earlier, the contract could not be completed. Whether the contractor has changed or the same contractor.
Oh, same contractor.
Same contractor.
Yes, sir. And after that, we have appealed the state government to arrange gap funding against the withdrawn fund. Then the state government took up the project, and they have released 12 crore last year. And we have done 12 crore work last year. And this year.
Now let us hear the contractor, because he although there was a fund, he could not execute. Now what plan he has for future? There was a money, you could not execute, and because of
No,
that.
sir, there is something irregularities of work done payment.
Hmm?
Irregularities of work done payment, sir. The work not completed in time.
See, that cannot be. That cannot be ground, because the bill, the sanction, the money which was sanctioned for you, either today or tomorrow, you're bound to get if you execute the work. And because of that, the money has gone back. What plan you have now?
Sir, everything is
Now
mobilized,
you
sir.
were to complete till May 30. Now still you are seeking another 6 months, 7 months to complete. How long it will continue? What is your plan? What strategies you have changed this time?
Sir, except raw materials, everything is mobilized, sir. Machinery,
Earlier it was, earlier it wasn't. No, material was not
The
mobilized.
material is there, sir. At that material, we have completed some portion, sir. Still, 15.8 kilometer is pending, sir. Bitumen works. WBM is available with us, sir.
Now, will the roads get destroyed during the monsoon?
Few portions are blocked as due to landslide.
So all the work done will go in vain then. So far, if the roads get destroyed again, the roads that you have built, only 50 kilometers
No.
remaining, the other part that you have.
Maintenance work is going on, ma'am.
What you have to say, 3 months more time, September.
Your Lordship, it's not just 3 months, it's been 3 years now. So every time they bring one or the other excuses. So I don't see that they were going to finish this project anytime soon. Maybe not this year even. And they are taking the public fund again and again from the state also. So it is also a sad part. If this court have power to direct them strictly so they can complete. Because there are many parts of the country where monsoons are happening, but their work doesn't stop. And NEC is important respondent here, so they should be responsible and they should file the affidavit. And even the private respondent number 13 and 14 also, they should file the detailed affidavit.
How much time now required to complete according to you?
We
Now,
expect,
because
sir,
earlier, now you are taking plea that monsoon is approaching. Earlier, there was no monsoon, you did not do. So now when the monsoon comes, your plea is that there are the monsoons, because of monsoon. So how much time?
actually not just, sir, before monsoon, we have work around 3.5 kilometer BTV work, sir. And now we expect, sir, December 26, sir. Before December 26, we have completed the all works.
What is the labor force? What is a force, labor force,
Yes, sir, labor force
power?
is available, sir. Labor force available and machineries are all.
Probably you may have to, even if the time is given, you may have to report it with the status report. You may have to give every 30 days.
Okay, sir.
Status with the all forces, the material available with you, machineries, and the labor force, and then the progress, financial as well as the physical progress. So what do you say?
As per their working plan that which they have given, although they are saying that it will be completed by 30th of December 2026, but they are planning to start from September 2026. So practically they are asking for 4 months time to complete this. Practically 4 months time, only because of this incessant monsoon rainy season. So September they are. If my lord can fix the matter on somewhere in October, so that the first stage, first month's status report can be called for.
Okay. September, September last.
September, they are 20th September, they are, as per this plan, from 20th of September, they are planning to start.
Okay. Okay.
So if this can be fixed on 20th of October, so that the first 1 month's progress report can be made available before this vote.
15 October. 15 October. Yeah. Okay.
15 October.
Your Lordship, they maybe file the utilization certificate also, because last year's also they haven't filed. They, last year also they have provided 12.50 crore. So they haven't filed that UC also. So they have to file that as per their order. I'm not saying of my own, it's in their order they have to file. So they should file that before last year's one. And the 9.5 is the recent one. So they can file that later. And the NEC, they have to be filed their affidavit because they are the main parties, because they have financed the this project first.
Okay. You
Detailed
just,
As per the instruction, they have already filed the UC utilization
have you
certificate.
brought it on affidavit?
No, that has already been submitted to the
No,
department.
copy.
Copy, no, that was never called for.
Okay.
Otherwise, as per instruction, it is always, the UC always is submitted to the.
Utilization certificate after completion of work, it is.
Yes, the fund
It is given.
which are allocated in a financial year, that UC is always submitted.
But it's not filed in this court. Last year,
That was never asked for.
maybe directed to file that, Your Lordship.
Okay.
And the respondent number, NEC.
Okay, you help me out.
Yes.
I'll dictate the order, and if you want any relief, then you just interfere.
Yes.
And you can ask for it. I will see if I can record it. Learned Council Miss
S. Somu.
S.
Sonam Somu.
Sonam Somu.
Yes.
Is present for the petitioner. Learned Government Advocate.
Additional AG.
Huh? Additional AG.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. as during this monsoon season, the black topping, what is it called?
Black topping works.
Black topping is not possible due to incessant rains, right?
Yes, sir.
It it appears that owing to the monsoon season, the petitioners may, or the not petitioners, the respondents may, the respondents present today may furnish details of the project completed after commencement of the project. After the monsoons, after commencement of the project, after the monsoons, by 15th October?
15 October.
By 15th October positively, without fail. This court deems it appropriate to list this matter for 15th of October?
Yes.
My lords, I mean, like, respondent number 2, respondent number 13, 14 may file detailed affidavit since they are the parties, and it's been 3 years. We are just
Respondent number 2, 13 and
2,
14.
13 and 14.
Is
Can you observe in the order that the work will start only from 28th of September? Because on 15th, we will come back with a report. The order should
it is this court has considered the submission that work will only commence after the end of monsoon by 20 on 20 from
2009 2026.
from 2009 2026. Okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner has agitated that the respondent number 2
and 13, 14.
13 and 14 have not filed their affidavit to explain to explain their laches.
Yes, and respondent 2 have withdrawn, so they have the accountability that after so many years, why they have withdrawn.
I
That is
just
also.
issue notice. They are not present.
No, I have served, but they haven't appeared till now. Till now, they haven't
You
appeared
have
anything.
already there's an order
Yes.
for issuance of notice.
Yes, I have already served to
So
respondent.
The service is
proceeded-
complete on respondent number 2, the NEC.
It should be because in file I didn't see.
So
If-
if they have
the
not
service
appeared,
is
then we
complete-
will proceed to ex parte.
Yes.
Yes.
If they are not willing to appear. It is also submitted that notices have been issued to the respondent number 2 and service is complete.
No, my lord, whether it is complete, we don't know.
Okay, it is also submitted that the petitioner has issued notice to respondent number 2. Let's check.
It's 13, 14 only.
No, there's nothing about respondent number 2. So service report on respondent number 2 is awaited then, okay?
Yes, I will. serve.
So, we'll add one line.
Yes.
Okay. It is to be somewhere in between, we'll add this line. It is to be borne in mind that roads are a necessity and the citizens are to be provided with better roads. There'll be tweaking of the order somewhere here and there.
This is the matter of 15th of
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Obliged, ma'am.
Marshal.
Yeah.
Better roads and connectivity.
Lordship,
With
may
better
dispense
roads
with the
and
personal
connectivity.
presence.
And it is their fundamental right.
My lord shall dispense with the personal presence of the contractor and their
Oh, yes,
person,
yes.
Personal affairs.
Okay.
their personally
Okay,
appears.
yes, of course. The personal attendance of the contractor and the
The executive engineer.
executive engineer is dispensed here with.
For a time.
Item number 7,
For the time being, I'll just add one line, for the time being. Okay, 3 words, for the time being.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes. Sir.
It's pursuant to your lordship's order dated 30th April.
Mm.
We have carried out the compliance in full and the amounts have been credited to the accounts of the respondents. And the affidavit in this regard has been filed by respondent 2, 3 and 4 yesterday. And respondent number 1's affidavit will be filed during the course of the day.
Mm.
And
Respondent number
I
14
spoke
today.
to my learned friend. Both the parties have said that if there is any discrepancy with regard to the calculation of the payment, it will be sorted out in due course as and when it is.
Your lordship will close this, granting us liberty to approach the concerned authorities, and if aggrieved, my lord, liberty to approach this honorable court.
It's minor discrepancies in
No, whatever it is,
calculation, etc. They can.
Yes, yes,
I
we
can
do
make
that.
a statement that it will be sorted out. Let's at the level.
No, that is fine.
There may not
So
be any
if it-
occasion to let's double this honorable court on this
Hopefully.
aspect.
Hopefully, but your lordship will grant that liberty because the amount has been directly credited to our account. There is no order as to how the calculation has been made, nothing has been shown to us. So your lordship will just grant us that liberty. If it is sorted out, it's sorted out, well and fine.
What kind of liberty?
Liberty to approach this honorable court if we are aggrieved by the financial benefits that has been granted to us.
Let's
Now
the
that-
direction was to upgrade from the date of eligibility and then clear the areas with effect from that date. That has been done. It is more than substantial compliance.
Okay, let
If
us see
let
the
the
order.
contempt-
No, let us just see the order of direction.
Your
Which has not been
lordship will
comparatively
have
clear.
page 25 first. This is the writ petition.
Hmm.
Our claim was that the financial benefits
Hmm.
was supposed to be granted to the petitioners as decided in the 59th board of meeting
Hmm.
was not granted. So we filed this writ petition. In fact, earlier writ petition was also filed. Your lordship will have page 25.
Hmm.
This is a judgment and order dated 29/7/2024. The operative part, your lordship will find at page 32. Para 16.
29/7/24.
Yes,
Para 16.
para 16.
Hmm.
Page 32, your lordships.
Page
32.
page 32, no?
Yes.
Okay. Operative part?
16.
Hmm.
According to this directed, the respondent authorities, i.e. the NERIS and the Ministry of Education, Government of India, to implement the decision reflected in the order dated 12/1/2016 within a period of 2 months from today. In the results, such and such, passes in a writ petition hereby set aside and quest. Now, my lord, what they have done is they have calculated themselves. We have not been issued any order how they have calculated. We don't know. They have directly credited the amount into our accounts on 12/6/2026. No orders, nothing. So that is why that is the only prayer. Let the contempt be closed. If we are aggrieved by the calculation, we are at liberty to come back to your lordships. That's all.
May I put it slightly differently? If any discrepancy is discovered by them, they will point it out to us, and we will let's settle it.
Very well, my lord. If thereafter, my lord,
That first paragraph will consist your submission.
Yes.
Second paragraph will
Yes.
consist your submission.
absolutely,
Contain your submission, I
Right.
mean.
right. That will. Now the contempt has been filed, my lord, for non-compliance of the judgment and order at page, my lord, 18. 18. Oh, that is, I'm sorry. The read appeal, my lord,
Hmm.
25/2024.
20, where is it?
That is at page 33. Now the direction that are sought to your lordship, that was appealed by the nearest, that was also dismissed.
Okay, okay. So there was an appeal also.
Yes, and they in fact went to the Honorable Supreme Court also, that was,
Or they approached the Supreme Court also.
yes.
Okay. So appeal, appeal was dismissed.
Appeal was.
SLP was
Yes,
also dismissed. It is noted by your lordships in the last order minutes, and we have given, we sought 3 months' time to comply, and minutes we have done it within.
It's already there in the order.
Yes. My lord, we close it granting liberty,
Yeah,
as the
close it,
my lord finance said, and the liberty that I'm praying for also.
The learned counsel, Mr. D. Panging, senior counsel, Mr. D. Panging is present for the petitioner. petitioners, no?
Petitioners, my lord.
Petitioners. Who have filed this. Where's the prayer in the PIL?
Contempt petition, my lord.
Okay, who have filed this contempt petition with prayer? Oh,
For non-compliance, my lord.
with
At page
contempt
14, my lord.
petition
Page
for-
14.
Page 14, no?
Hmm.
Non-compliance of the original judgment?
Single,
No,
single judge's judgment.
no, my lord.
Yeah.
The judgment,
It has to be because the
Yes,
directions
yes.
have been upheld by the
yes,
division bench.
both of them, single bench and the division
Yes.
bench.
For
My lord, have page 14, my lord.
page 14. Okay, for non-compliance of the order dated
First, is to-
29/7/2024 passed in
yes,
writ petition civil number 304 within bracket AP 2020
and
and thereafter
Mm.
the writ appeal
Mm.
orders
yes,
and thereafter the order dated
9/4/25.
9/4/2025 passed by the division bench in writ appeal number 25 of 2024
Yes, ma'am.
directing the NERIST NERIST
Yes.
Yes, any arrest.
and the Ministry of Education, Government of India to implement the decision reflected in the order dated 12/1/2016, within a period of 2 months from the
Date of the order.
date of the order, full stop. The appeal was also dismissed and thereafter the respondents respondents filed an SLP registered as SLP number 59361 stroke 2025,
Yes, please.
which was also dismissed by the Supreme Court by the order dated
30th January 26.
30/01/2026, full stop. The in this case, the petitioners were given by 3 months' time.
We sought
Oh,
3
sorry,
months'
not
time.
petition. The respondents were given 3 months' time to comply with the,
Yes, please.
We sought your lordship. Or the respondents sought 3 months' time to comply with the order of this court in WPC number, which was the WPC number?
Just a moment.
This is in context.
304/2020.
304 AP of 2020,
20.
full stop. Today, Mr. Your name?
Naresh Kaushik. In fact, your lordship's desired status report to be filed. 3 months' time was not declined. Your lordship desired the status filed report to be filed with regard to the steps taken for compliance.
An order was
Today, the matter is fixed for status report.
an order was passed to submit a status report relying to comply the order of this court in WPC number 304 of 2000.
2020.
So that 3 months' time was not sought.
3 months' time was sought
Okay.
and it
So
was
we'll
not
include
declined.
this also.
Court said that we will see what steps you have taken and then we'll fix further date.
Today, Mr. N. Kaushik, learned senior counsel for the respondents, has submitted that the order
Full compliance has been carried out.
that full compliance has been carried out and the money has been deposited in the account of the
Petitioners, writ
in the
petitioners.
account of the writ petitioners stroke contemners also.
Yes. So no, stop
Petitioners.
contempt
Contempt
petitioners.
petitioners, stroke contempt petitioners, stroke writ petitioners, stroke contempt petitioners, full stop. The learned senior counsel, Mr. D. Pangi, has submitted that the amount has been received in their accounts,
Yes.
but they are not aware on how the calculation was made and the amount apportioned in favor of the petitioners.
Yes.
In case of any dispute, if arises, the no, not in case of any dispute. After I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection, I have also And we have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection, and this court deems it appropriate to direct both the parties to settle any differences relating to the calculation within themselves, and if the grievance persists, and on persistence of the their grievances, the petitioners may approach this court. Right?
The
So
contempt-
both
yes.
has been addressed.
Contempt stands closed.
This contempt petition, this matter stands closed.
Obliged.
Let's, the respondent number one's affidavit will be filed during the course of the day. It is not on record. Compliance affidavit.
Okay.
It is ready in minutes. Some defects were pointed out at the counter.
The
Kindly-
compliance affidavit, which is purported to be filed, will be submitted within the course of this day
Lodge. Of the respondent number one.
for the respondent number one.
Great. Deeply obliged.
Item number 8.
Nobody represented.
Nobody, Lodge.
Parties are not represented. List this matter after 1 week.
Item number 9. Same. Similar, Lodge.
Same order.
Lodge. Item number 10.
May I please, Lodge?
Mm.
Hello, an IA number 123 of 2026, my lord. My lord, I have filed this IA
Mm.
seeking direction from this court.
Hmm?
Seeking direction from this court to produce the one-man inquiry commission report.
AC. Please switch on to AC.
To produce the one-man inquiry report to be produced by the
We
respondent.
haven't received our instruction yet, ma'am. 1 more week may be given.
1 week. 1 week.
My lord, my lord, on last occasion, but they have taken time to seek instruction. And if there is no any instruction, let 1 more week may be given.
In the main case, everything is completed, my lordship. The pleadings are completed, so it may be listed for admission. In the meanwhile, I'll take instruction for
1
this
week.
IA.
Okay. All right.
Seeking instruction or,
Instruction, ma'am.
okay, not for producing the record.
Whether we can produce the records or not, only that instruction is required.
Okay.
My lord,
That can be otherwise. No.
yes, my lord,
I don't know, of course.
otherwise, my lord maybe direct the petitioners. Or
Let them
respondent.
obtain instruction.
Yes.
Learned Counsel Mr. H. Lampu is present for the petitioner and is present for the petitioner bus. Learned Government Advocate Ms. K. Wangmo, Government Advocate, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is present and has submitted that and has prayed for 1 week's time to obtain instructions if records could be produced before this court. Okay. Okay. Or only to obtain instructions.
In
Yes.
this regard.
Only to obtain instructions. The rest you stack it off. Learned Counsel,
For
I record
respondent,
your presence.
yes, Your Lordship. For
Please
respondent
respond.
number 3, Your Lordship, for commission, APPC.
And I join.
Ms. N. Anju is present for the respondent number
3, Your Lordship.
3. Okay. List this matter in the admission column along with WP
WP, my lord,
WPC
549.
549 of 2025 after a week.
Lordship.
Sorry, my lord. Obliged.
Item number 11.
My lord, on 5th May, impugned order has been passed. That is the application for condonation of delay. On 5th May, impugned order has been passed. Limitation period exhaust on 4th June. 5th June, the appeal has been filed. On 9th June, due to technical error, petition was withdrawn to file afresh with the leave of this honorable court to approach again. That is page number 9, last page. Second para, second line. Learned counsel for the petitioner submit that there is some technical error in the appeal. Accordingly, he prayed to withdraw this appeal and file a fresh. Prayer is allowed. It is again filed on 11 June. Within very second day. So considerably, my lord, there is a delay of only 1 day. The appeal, the limitation period exhausts on 4th June and appeal was filed on 5th June. So it
So
is
who are the parties? Government?
parties are
There's a
government.
private party also?
Yes, private parties.
You will have to issue notice, even if it is for 1 day, you'll have to issue notice.
Yes, madam.
You'll have to issue notice. There's a private party, no? What do you say?
No, it's fine. Lala. If the parties are present, if they have no objection, no problem.
They will not have any objection. 1 day, you can
Who is the
explain.
private party?
But there is a private respondent, my lord. Without issuing notice, my lord.
Yeah, we'll issue notice.
My lord.
Learned counsel, Mr.
My lord, there is a judgment if I could produce.
I know, we can delay, condone delay for.
There is only 1 day delay, my lord.
Expert is not proper. In civil cases, when we have a private respondent, we can condone delay for 1,000 days also. What do you say?
Yeah, this notice need to be issued. Lala. His presence, let him say he has no objection. Let him appear and say that he has
Your
no
name,
objection.
Learned counsel, Mr.
A.D. Verma.
A.D. Burma
Yeah, my
is
lord.
present for the item number.
11, lord.
11.
Okay, is present on behalf of.
Arunachal University of Studies. My lord, my wakalatnama is filed and A.D. Verma, Abhay Dutt Verma. Which one is private party?
You are the respondent?
I'm petitioner. I'm on behalf of Tito Taba, if his name is
Tito
appeared,
Taba, okay.
on the
That is
top.
what I was asking. Learned counsel, Mr. A.D. Verma is present on behalf of learned counsel, Mr. Tito Taba for the petitioner and learned government advocate.
One and two.
Government advocate.
Yes, 1 and 2, my
Ms.
lord.
K. Wangmo is present for whom?
1 and 2, my lord.
For the respondents number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 only.
Yes, my lord. 3. I am representing 3, my lord.
You are representing whom? 3.
3, my lord.
Okay. Learned counsel, Mr.
T. Jamo.
T. Jamo is present for the standing counsel.
Standing counsel, my lord.
Learned standing counsel, Mr. T. Jamo is present for the respondent number 3. Petitioner to take steps to issue notice to the private respondent, returnable within 4 weeks. Okay? List accordingly, all right? You want a date or you want a lesser time?
A lesser time, my lord.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Okay.
My lord,
2 weeks might not be practical, my lord.
That is why I'm saying.
The vacation is approaching.
Vacation is approaching.
Possible only after.
my
vacation,
lord, respondent number 4, Shri, he is the chairman of the Arunachal Pradesh Private Institution Regulatory Commission. He is not a private person.
1
of
week
course.
then? He's not
My
a
lord,
private
my lord,
person.
private person.
My lord, he is the
Private
chairman of a statutory
Chairman.
organization, cannot be treated as a private person, of course.
Juristic person.
No, my lord.
Yeah, my lord, he is the chairman of a statutory organization, APPIRC. It is a statutory body created by the legislature.
Your
There
lordship,
is not a private person.
When an officer is implemented by name, my lord.
He is holding the
we
post of
cannot represent
chairman,
him, my lord.
my lords. He is holding the post of chairman of
Might be he's
APPIRC.
holding, my lord,
Cannot be
but,
considered as a private person.
Then he should not have been implemented, my lord.
And my lord, party number 3, respondent number 3, it is the organization APPIRC. That is a statutory
He's not
body.
accepting notice on his behalf.
Why name?
By name, my lord.
By name?
Yes, my lord.
Cannot.
We cannot.
You have implemented him by
Okay,
name.
my lord.
1 week?
My lord, 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Thank you,
Obliged, my lord.
my lord.
Item number 12.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the first time on behalf of respondent number 4, private respondent. So kindly, I may be given 4 weeks time to file the counter affidavit.
Counter affidavit.
Yes,
Counter
sir.
affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. Affidavit in opposition.
And your lordship, state respondent are also yet to file the affidavit.
My lordship, they have not furnished us extra copies, my lordship.
Okay.
All right. Learned Counsel, Mr.
J. Karbak.
J.
Karbak.
Karbak is present for the petitioner, and learned counsel, learned government advocate, Miss Wamo is present for how many respondents?
1, 2, and 3.
Respondent number 1, 2, and 3. And the submitted that copies were not furnished to the respondents. Post of extra copies to be furnished to the respondents by the petitioner. Learned counsel, Mr.
D. Lona.
D. Lona. D. Lona is present for respondent number
4.
4 and has submitted that he may be and has prayed for time to file counter affidavit. List the matter after 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Your Worship, there is an interim order. May be
Interim
continued.
order shall remain in force till the next date of listing. Pleadings are complete or not?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Oblige.
How many respondents are yet to be?
All the respondent.
Oh, pleadings are almost complete.
Oblige.
Matter number 13.
My lord, we are ready for disposal. I'll take maybe hardly 20 minutes. Because when I lay down the hands, prima facie, I find that there is a violation of section 38 of the POSCO Act, read with rule 4 and 5. Because the mark
Please.
Yes, yes.
May I mention item number 11?
Item number 11.
11, yes.
Yes.
But in this matter, senior advocate Das Sir is appearing this matter.
Oh,
So,
Didas.
Didash.
He will not take
Yes, Your Worship. So this matter can be listed
next week.
next week. I think other sites are there. Next week will not be possible. Maybe in the month of August,
Oh, yes.
Monday.
If the other side has no objection.
Yes, Mr. Doloy is available. In fact, I have taken consent from Mr. Doloy.
No problem. Learned Counsel, Mr. S. Moore,
Hello.
with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
List the matter on which date of August?
To August. On 3rd, Your Lordship.
3rd August?
Yes.
On 3rd August.
Oblige.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. Taken consent from the other side also. Leading counsel is out of station, so the matter may fix after the vacation.
Learned Counsel, Miss
Dirilong.
Dusurilong. Dirilong with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. List this matter after summer vacation.
Vacation, Lordship. Much.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. I'm appearing we have Deepangi. We are appearing first time in this matter.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
Sita Jo, appearing we have Deepangi.
Sitajo.
Yes, Lordship.
Your name is there in the cause list.
Yes.
With the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment.
Your Lordship, we need 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit.
With the consent of the other side has prayed for 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit.
Yes.
List after 3 weeks.
Yes.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 2, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Yes, this is a service matter whereby petitioner is already retired, Your Lordship. For that, I need time to take instruction from him.
Petitioner is already retired.
Yes, few months back, so I need
Learned Counsel, Mr.
M. Tasso on behalf of
M.
senior
Tasso,
counsel.
on behalf of learned senior advocate, Mr. R.
Arsaikia, yes, Lord.
has prayed for time to obtain instructions as the petitioner has already retired
Yes, Your Lord.
from service.
Yes, Your Lord.
Learned GA, Miss, your name I forgot.
P. Pangu, Your Lordship.
P. Pangu.
For the state, Your Lordship.
Is present for the state of AP. This is a matter after
1 week.
1 week. 1 week.
Okay, Your Lordship. Oblige.
Oblige.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 4 on behalf of the petitioner that the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Learned Council Miss
M. Lowang.
M.
Lowang.
Lowang on behalf of Learned Council Mr.
Saxena.
K. Saxena with the consent of the other side.
Yes,
Has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on when do you want?
after 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks, okay.
Much obliged.
If it pleases my lord, I would like to mention the last item, item number 12. I appear on behalf of Mr. Ada.
Item number 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I think somebody has taken adjournment, item number 12. Huh?
11.
12, one, 12? Maybe. Learned Council Mr.
T. Wangda.
T.
Wangda. On behalf of
11 to me, 12 to likisa nahi? Na likha. Na likha. On behalf of T. Wangda, on behalf of Learned Council Mr.
A. Dar.
Who?
A. Dar. Respondent number 1 and 2.
দেখা নাই যে item মই হেৰি চাই আছো নেকি ডিবি চাই আছো that is why I was confused really. Learned Council Mr. Yes.
T. Wangda.
T.
Wangda.
Longda.
Wangda.
Longda on behalf of Learned Council Mr. A. Dhar with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. When do you want?
Any date after summer vacation.
List the matter after summer vacation.
Your lordship, interim order may be continued.
Interim order shall remain in force till the next date of listing.
May I please say? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3. Yes, Lordship, you should kindly fix this matter after vacation on 22nd of July because there is some difficulty today.
Okay, item number 3. Yes. Okay. Learned Government Advocate.
Yes.
Miss
P. Sangeeta.
P. Sangeeta with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment.
Yes.
Okay, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, 22nd, on 22nd July.
Oh, list this matter on 22nd July.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 1.
My lord, this is third round of litigation in fact for the same cause. In fact, the petitioner, my lord, he has a land, vast area of land, which he has inherited from his forefather at Taksing. Taksing, my lord, from 1959 to 1975, the CO office building was constructed somewhere. Then from 75 onwards, it was shifted to another place till 2001. In the year 2001, the petitioner, who is the owner of that land, he was approached by the administration to allow him to construct the temporary office building of CO on his plot of land. Accordingly, the petitioner allowed, with a condition that the administration should not construct permanent structure, that is RCC. So therefore, administration constructed this log house from where the CO office was functioning. In the year, last year, since the this building, it was on the verge of collapse. So the administration wanted to demolish the same and try to construct new building on the same land. So which the petitioner has opposed and agitated. Accordingly, he wrote a representation. That representation was not considered. So therefore, petitioner approached this honorable court by way of filing writ petition number 206 of 25.
Okay.
My lord, may kindly come to the order of pass in writ petition, my lord. That was passed on 7/3/2026, page number 23 to 32. Let us read the operative portion. Under the given facts, page number 32, I'm just reading the,
Okay.
under the given facts and circumstances, this court is inclined to dispose of this writ petition by directing the respondent authority to verify the claim of the petitioner on the basis of representation filed by him on 28/4/2025 and to ascertain the veracity of his claim and only thereafter to proceed with the construction of the circle office in accordance with law. And if during the course of a verification, it is found that the land in question belongs to the petitioner, then the state respondent have to acquire the same in accordance with law, and only thereafter the state can proceed with the construction work. So there are, there are some observation which the petitioner in fact was aggrieved with. So therefore petitioner filed this writ appeal against this judgment in order. That writ appeal order is at page number 33. Here
So it was dismissed.
no, my lord, writ appeal. In
Writ
fact,
appeal?
yes, writ appeal. In the writ appeal, my lord, may kindly come to page number 36.
36.
Yes. We have also noted that ultimate direction is for verification of the claim of the petitioner based on the representation. We are of the view that the aforesaid direction does not require any interference. We, however, add that while making the said verification, all the materials, including minute of the meeting, my lord, may kindly note this minute of the meeting dated 5/3/2025 to be taken into consideration by the respondent authority. Next, my lord. Para 9. It is needless to state that such verification exercise be conducted by prior information to the appellant so that he can be present. Now, my lord, after the division bench order that the verification report, while carrying out the verification, the verification team has to look into the minute of the meeting, my lord. That I will take your lordship to later. And during the verification, petitioner's presence was to be ensured as per this direction. Now, what happened, my lord? The verification report, verification was carried in the absence of the petitioner. That is in violation of the order passed by division bench of this honorable court. So there is a violation of principle of natural justice as well as violation of the order of this honorable court. I could have instituted this contempt petition, but I prepared to file this writ petition because this verification report, impugn order, has to be stayed. So therefore, I had to prepare this writ petition. Now, my lord may kindly come to page number 38.
How can you file a writ petition over a writ appeal, again a writ petition?
My lord may kindly see. That is why, my lord, I was taking your lordship to order passed by this honorable court. This honorable court, while taking up,
File a petition for contempt only.
since
I don't think writ petition, after writ appeal, again writ petition.
no, my lord, this writ petition, in this writ petition, my lord,
Even issue notice also.
my lord, contempt might not lie because they have informed me about the verification, but I have submitted a
I
representation.
don't think so. We can issue notice here.
My lord, notice, not only notice, my lord may kindly stay this operation of the impugn order. Because
Here a government, yes.
Yes, Lordship, this is for the third time he has approached in this court, Lordship, with the same cause.
Same cause,
Yes.
one, it has been decided in a writ petition, then you have preferred an appeal, then now you have to go to file an SLP, not this case.
No, my lord, the administration, my lord, the respondent authority, they have not proceed with the direction given by this honorable court, my lord.
In
My lord-
appeal.
Yes, in appeal, my lord.
File a contempt case. I don't think so.
In that regard, Your Lordship, I submit, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly come to Annexure 6, page 45, Your Lordship. The next page is page 46, the operating portion, Your Lordship. The verification, may I read, Your Lordship, the first paragraph. The verification has conducted on 28/4/2026. All the committee members were attended, and also the representatives of the concerned families, members of the taxing circle, which Darcy, Darin, Dangri, Hafi, Hari, and TC. But Shri Tindu Chadar, petitioner, was absent even after given due intimation in advance. He was given the intimation.
Intimidated.
Yes.
My lord, let me submit first, my lord, that he will have the right to reply, my lord.
No.
There is no question of yes, Your Lordship. Even the
It
will
lies,
lie.
my lord. Writ petition, my lord, lies, my lord. My lord may kindly see the direction, my lord. And my lord,
I've seen.
my lord, this honorable court has directed the authority. My lord may kindly,
We'll fix a date for hearing on maintainability. I don't think there's this writ petition lives. I'm not issuing notice also. She's present today.
my lord may kindly see, my lord, how the the authority, my lord, they are,
No. I cannot see beyond that order.
that order, my lord, not has been complied with, my lord.
You see, one
It was
petition
complied,
has
Your
been
Lordship.
filed, then writ appeal has been filed, again writ petition has been filed.
My, there is,
Order is not compliant.
my lord, this, my lord may kindly see, my lord. The writ,
Then what
in the writ petition, my lord, which,
file a contempt case?
no, my lord. There is a new cause of action, my lord.
No, I don't.
With the passing of this impugn order, my lord, there is a new cause of action has arisen, my lord. In the, while passing this impugn order, my lord, I was not heard, my lord. And my lord,
When
the
you-
law says, my lord, law says,
You be heard. When you deny to be present, then how?
no, my lord, I have expressed my difficulties. I was engaged in census duty, my lord, in a national duty, my lord. That was brought to the notice of the authority, my lord. I have submitted representation that I will not be able to attend on that particular fixed date because I am already engaged in this census duty, that is national duty, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to my representation, my lord.
No, I don't think so. There's any.
My lord,
You can prefer a writ petition when somebody is violating the order of
my lord,
direction.
as I am submitting, my lord, this is new cause of action, my lord. New impugn order has been passed, my lord, by the deputy commissioner. And while passing this impugn order, my lord, I was not heard, my lord. And why I was not heard and why I could not make myself present before the verification.
Impugn
my
order
lord.
was passed.
Yes, my lord. Impugn order has been passed, my lord. Kindly, my lord, see the impugn order once again, my lord.
Duly intimated, Your Lordship. He was duly informed.
I was duly informed. I am admitting that, my lord. Why I could not participate in the verification, my lord.
Issue notice only.
My lord, may kindly, my lord has seen, my lord. My lord, may kindly
Your Lordship.
see, my lord. Government, my lord, they do not, this acquired the land, my
We
lord.
have emergency within 1 week. We'll issue notice only.
Till then, my lord, at least I may be protected, my lord. If, my lord, on the death so fixed, my lord, let the matter be listed in admission hearing column. It will be open for the raising this mental ability. Till then, my lord, at least I may be protected because my lord has seen, my lord. It is their document, my lord. I will take your lordship to one document, my lord. It is their document, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the RTI reply, my lord. RTI
No,
reply.
you see, will not go here and there.
For
You
the,
agree by the order, you want the order to be stayed. Let me see
yes.
the order.
Yes, my lord. If you order is page number 45, my lord.
Please read the order.
Yes, my lord. In personal modification of early order, event number date is so and so, the apology so and so. I have gone through the order of the Honorable High Court, Itanagar Permanent Bench in Nahalgan, and made this order here under. In compliance to the judgment and order of the Honorable High Court, Itanagar Permanent Bench in Nahalgan passed on 27 so and so, filed by Sri Tindu Chedar versus State of AP, while disposing the instant case, particular in para 15 of the judgment order, it is clearly given directive to the respondent authority to verify the claim of the petitioner on the basis of the representation filed by Sri Tindu Chedar on so and so, to ascertain the veracity of his claim and to proceed with the construction of circle office in accordance with law. If during the course of verification, it is found that the land in question belongs to the petitioner, then state respondent have to acquire the same in accordance with law, and only thereafter the state can proceed with the construction work. The consequent upon the Honorable High Court order, the order has been passed on 24/4/2026 by the Additional Deputy Commissioner. Kodoka has constituted committee members for verify the claim of the land by the petitioner. The committee members are CO Taxing as chairman, DLRSO, the representative of PWD NASO, President Now Welfare Society, and SGB and GB of Taxing Circle as members. The verification has conducted on 28/4/2026. All the committee members were attended, and also the representative of the concerned family members of Taxing Circle with so and so. But Sri Tindu Chedar, petitioner, was absent even after given due intimation in advance. During the verification of the said land, it is found that the Darsi family is one of the major and owner of the taxing headquarters, which Sri Tindu Chedar petitioner belongs. The land where present site of CO office was given as a token of love by Sri Missing Chedar, forefather of Darsi family, and erstwhile GV of Taxing Circle, and Sri Tindu Chedar, presently residing in CPO structure near CO office, and also claiming whole adjoining areas in his personal property. Earlier it was used to be a CO quarter. Now he is occupied and created his residence place. And the some one-up member of Darsi family with so and so and Tamur Chedar attended the verification site and declared that land where CO office is located is their common ancestral land, and which was donated to the government by their forefather, late Missing Chedar, for establishment of the government infrastructures. After thorough verification and hearing from the concerned family members of the Taxing Circle, it is found that the land where CO office is located now is not an individual property of the petitioner, but it is a common property of the Darsi family. The basing on the verification report is furnished by the CO, Taxing, and their committee members and members present in the verification site. And hearing, it is found that the present site CO is not a personal property of Tindu Chedar, wherein it is common ancestral property of Darsi family, and further it is asserted by the family members of the Darsi family in the verification site and hearing deposed that the said land is already donated by the forefather of Missing Chedar, XGB. After careful and meticulous examination of the report, I am convinced that the land claimed by the petitioner is not personal property, and it has already been donated by their forefather, Missing Chedar. Therefore, the claim of the petitioner is
All right.
met.
Okay. Or stay for a short time. Temporary stay.
Otherwise, this petition is not maintainable because his grievances.
I think it is maintainable.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
I think so.
Yes. Because, Your Lordship, his representation of representation is, Your Lordship, is dated on.
Maybe there are some, I think maybe there are some nitty-gritties to be dealt with, but I think we can issue notice and stay. That much can be done.
Your Lordship, no stay can be, Your Lordship, may kindly not issue any.
No,
stay.
then if you start constructing, then this will not serve. the
Construction is
purpose.
going on, Your Lordship, since yesterday, last year, Your Lordship.
Construction is going on.
Yes,
Okay,
since
then short
last
date.
year.
No, my lord.
In short, yes.
No, my lord. Till the disposal of the writ appeal, my lord, the impugn order issued alert. It was stayed. So therefore, no activities was done.
Short date.
My lord, may kindly At least, my lord, next week, I am ready to this, hear the matter, submit the matter, my lord. It's
How many parties you have?
till such that,
How
my
many
lord.
parties you have implemented?
Even, yes, Lordship.
My lord,
How many parties you have implemented? Only state, no?
only state, my lord.
You represent the respondent 1, 2, and 3?
Yes, Lordship.
So we'll fix it for early hearing then.
I'm ready for that, my lord. But till then, otherwise, my,
Maintainability.
On maintainability and everything.
let it be kept open, my lord. I'm ready.
We'll list it in the admission column. We'll issue rule, we'll list it in the admission column. Yes, yes, correct. Status quo, yes. To maintain status quo will be better. Okay, we'll maintain status quo.
My lord. And next,
Third Learned Counsel, Mr. D. Kamduk for the petitioner. Ms. P. Sangita for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Full stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner's forefather
yes, my lord.
Has gifted a parcel of land to the CO,
My lord,
to the government.
my contention is not that, my lord. My forefather had never gifted, my lord. My forefather, my lord, he died in the year 1959, my lord. Why the,
You have stated no that there was a condition that he will not make permanent construction.
in the year 2001, administration had approached me. So I allowed them to temporarily construct.
There
the
is no
office, my lord.
documentary evidence on that also, Lordship.
In that case, my lord, let me submit, my lord.
It is submitted that a parcel of land has been taken over by the CO.
Administration, my lord. That will be
Has
better.
been taken over by the administration and the permanent and a building and a temporary building.
Was allowed to be
block
constructed,
building,
my
block
lord.
building, na?
Temporary
The
building.
temporary building was allowed to be constructed
Yes, ma'am.
over the parcel of land which the petitioner claims rightfully belongs to him. Full stop. During the as time elapsed, the building building got destroyed or damaged. The CO building
Due to this,
during the flux of time, the log building got what? Damaged. You are
not
saying some
not
damaged
not
thing,
not
huh?
to be not fit to be inhabited, my lord, anymore.
Oh.
Not fit to be used any
During the
further.
flux of time, the log building housing the CO's office,
Yes, yes.
became unfit for what?
Unfit
For occupation.
Yes, my lord. Yes, ma'am.
Then the respondent's authority approached the petitioner to construct. No, not then.
No, my lord. They
It is submitted on behalf of you cut out the last it is submitted on behalf of the petitioners that as the respondent authorities had earlier approached the petitioner to construct a temporary building, the respondent authorities were allowed to construct a log building, which
Lordship, this petition, the petitioner has come in this petition with the new issue, Lordship, of non-compliance with the order dated, non-compliance with the order passed in the writ appeal dated 7/4/2026, Lordship. Not on the issue of that donation and all, Lordship.
that is there, my
That
lord.
was already been decided in WPC 206, Lordship.
No, my lord. My lord,
Okay, had earlier, and it was agreed between both the parties that no permanent construction will be erected over the plot of land rightfully claimed to be belonging to the petitioner. Full stop. A writ petition was brought up, which was also decided, and against the decision of the writ petition, a writ appeal was
filed
preferred by the petitioner, which was registered as WA number
My rate appeal number is, my lord, 23, 2026.
23, 2026, against the WPC number 206 of 2025. Full stop. In the writ appeal, it was directed that
Kindly see page number 37, my lord. Direction is 36 and 37, my lord. Para 8 and para 9, my lord. This page number 36 is para 8, whereby, my lord, it says, while carrying out the verification team has to look
it was
in.
directed as follows. It will be para 8 and para 9, no?
Yes, my lord.
It was directed as follows. Page number 36, para 8 and para 9. It is the contention next para, after inserting para 8 and 9, it is a contention of the petitioner that where is the impugned order?
Impugned order is this 36 and 37 only, my lord. Oh, sorry, 45.
You want to impugn that order?
My lord, my lord,
In your favor? Page number, which page?
my lord, just.
I'm passing the order in your favor.
Yes.
If I keep waiting, I'll keep forgetting. And then it will be difficult. I'll forget everything then.
My lord, I only wanted to get it recorded, my lord, in the writ appeal, my
No,
lord.
don't keep interfering, then I'll forget everything.
Then, my lord,
Taking a direction, I'm going in a direction, and if you keep
then, my lord, let me come to this impugned order, my lord. Yeah. 45, my lord, page number 45.
That last line. Huh? It is the contention of the petitioner that the deputy commissioner, without hearing the petitioner, passed an order to the detriment of the petitioner, full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner has not followed the direction of this court in WA number.
My lord, not petitioner, the state authority, my lord.
Lordship, the government, the respondent authorities have not followed the direction of this court in WA number.
And WA number, my lord, 23 of 2026.
Per contra, Ms. P. Sangita has submitted that this petition is not maintainable. It is also submitted that notices were issued to the petitioner and the petitioner was absent, and then the order impugned by the petitioner dated 3/6/2026 void letter void number WP within bracket C bracket close 206 within bracket AP. No, not void number. Order impugned order dated 3/6/2026 was passed. So at this juncture, it appears that construction has been ordered. It appears that there is a direction to carry out the construction of the building for the office of the CEO immediately. Full stop. Considering the entire aspect of the matter, comma, the respondent authorities are directed to maintain status quo as of today.
Your Lordship, may I, Lordship?
Till.
Your
Status
Lordship.
quo as of today till next date. Only
No, status
next
quo,
date.
Your Lordship.
Huh? Only status quo.
Your Lordship, a short date, in this case.
Next date, short date.
In that case, Your Lordship, a short date may be given. Till then, I will take the instruction whether the written notice was issued or not before the verification order was passed, Your Lordship.
Will not go there.
Because
Will not go there.
his only contention is that he was not heard, Your Lordship, on that day. I'll take that instruction.
But this is not a contempt case, no?
Yeah.
Will not go there. This is not a contempt case. Can't help it. You have already submitted, I have recorded your submission.
Yes,
That notices were issued, but he did not appear.
yes, Your Lordship.
I have recorded your submission, no?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I have recorded it. Police status quo. To maintain status quo as on today. Issue notices to all the respondents. List this matter in the admission column for hearing on the maintainability issue. All right.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 5.
Yes, yes, I was.
Oh, I'm sorry, madam. I am out of turn.
Sorry.
Actually, what am I sitting outside? And item number 11, my lord, I'm told that the third is fixed. Can it be, my lord, Tuesday or Wednesday? That is Monday or
Can be
4th or 5th? Mr. Additional Advocate General is there, my lord. So as per your convenience, you tell me the date, but not on Monday. This is this August. August 3rd is fixed, my lord. So can it be in 5th?
No, 5th I have problem.
Then 6th. 6th August?
Either 4th or 6th, any date.
4th or 6th.
Either of.
As per your 6, my lord. 6, my lord. And my name may be, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Y. Dolo, Senior Panel Counsel for Union of India.
Item number
11.
11, no? Why?
Y. Doloi.
Doloi. Senior
Senior Panel Counsel for Union of India.
Panel Counsel for Union of India.
It is mutually agreed, my lord.
Respondent
For all respondents.
for Union of India.
Union of India.
For the respondent.
Yes.
I don't know about the petitioner. I remember this morning, Mr. Sunil Mao, he mentioned it for third, my lord. Sunil Mao, the counsel for the petitioner, this morning, my lord, he made a mention that this.
Not morning, it's just only 15 minutes back.
Sorry, okay, 15 minutes back.
Yes.
But he mentioned that this matter should be heard on my lord, third.
Yeah, as Mao has, I think he's
He
here.
was there, my lord. I don't know. You have taken.
Are you still sitting outside, my lord?
You have taken the consent.
No, we had a discussion in outside. So I am leaving it to the Additional Advocate General, my lord. You decide the date. 6 is okay.
Then
Why I'm saying because Mr. My lord.
Taken adjournment.
Yes. Why, my lord, Mr. Das, the learned senior counsel is going to appear, my lord. So perhaps in person he will be appear on Monday, my lord. Because of that, my lord, that third was fixed, my lord.
Yes, that is
third August that was fixed, my lord. So you have to take consent with Mr. Sunil Mao.
Yes.
So then let it be, let it be, but that your lordship, my lord, may be written down that they mutually agreed on third. That may be written down. My name may be noted, my lord. Because what happened, others Union of India made some difficulties, my lord. That is the reason.
On third.
This third. My submission may be recorded, my lord. Obviously.
What submission?
No, submission means I am also agreed to that. Yes. Obviously, my lord.
Item number 5.
Lordships, I appear for the petitioner. Lordships.
Oh, that day there was an argument and I wanted clarification, no?
Yes, my lord, that
For clarification, in case there's any clarification.
I didn't go through anything. I'll just fix it for order then. I've forgotten everything. I didn't have time also. These 2 days I was busy with other work, urgent matters.
So in that case, if your lordships want a refresher, your lordships may fix it after vacation. I'll travel for a date in case your lordships want.
No, not required. I'll fix it for order.
order.
If you do not want to submit any more, then I'll fix it for, in the admission stage, I'll dispose it of. Not dispose it of, whatever your prayer is, I'll go through it.
Yes.
Actually, this Saturday, Sunday and this entire week you have seen, no?
My lord.
7, I could leave the court at 7 only. Then again, I have to travel for half an hour to, so I didn't have time enough.
My lord is reserving for judgment, or my lord is
Judgment?
for reserving?
Yes, I'll have to reserve it.
Oh, my lord, no.
Since that day submission was over, I
Yes, my
wanted
lord.
clarification.
Yes. The hearing was, yes, my lord, extensively heard all the
Yes,
parties.
yes. So we'll reserve it for judgment and order. For petitioner, you are appearing for the petitioner.
I appear
And
for
I
the
was, yeah,
with my local
yesterday he was appealing all the time. I was under the impression he was
Right.
Appellant. Okay, item number five.
Five.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
Varun Pathak.
S.C. Okay, but why your name is not in the cause list?
Lordship, my local council's name should be there.
My lord, his name is in the Wakalatnama, perhaps
Wakalatnama.
it's not in the system.
Varun Pathak, Mr. Varun Pathak is present for the petitioner. Learned Counsel, Mr. D. Soki.
I am for the respondent number one, my lord. Who is the main party?
Office,
My lord?
standing counsel.
No, my lord. This private party, the plaintiff, my lord.
D. Soki is present for the respondent number one.
One, my lord.
Learned Counsel number
5.
your name?
P. Moyong. Lordship, I am on behalf of M. Ate.
P. Moyong.
Yes, Lordship.
On behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
M. Ate.
M. Ate is present for respondent number
5.
5. Learned Counsel, Mr. S. Count is present for
Number 8.
respondent number 8. Learned Counsel, Miss
A. Right. For respondent number 2 and 3.
A. Right is present for respondent number 2 and 3. Everybody is present. No, I'll record your name also.
Yes, ma'am. HK Nath.
Huh?
HK Nath.
Learned Counsel, that beginning in the beginning, huh? With Varun Pathak and Learned Counsel, Mr. H.K. Nath is present for the petitioner. Varun Pathak and H.K. Nath is present for the petitioner and this side respondents. After one full stop maybe. Okay, reserve for judgment and order.
Ma'am.
Reserve for judgment and order.
Grateful, your lordship.
Obliged, ma'am.
Obliged.
Item number 6.
My pleasure, Lordship. My lord, the petitioners are, my lord, owners of various plots of land in Tuting, my lord. There is a road project that has to pass through that. That is intermediate, the road project is Tuting to Jido for intermediate lane road, 0 km to 13.080. And notification was issued for preliminary notification issued page 38.
Page 38. okay.
Page 38. Before that, Lordship, page 37, annexure 1, is a speaking order wherein the, may I read, Lordship? Page 37. Whereas the undersigned received requisition letter, white letter, so and so, dated 5/1/2024 from National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation, NHI DCL, for land acquisition of land for construction of intermediate lane road with hard barred shoulder design from 0 km to 13.08 stretches from Tuting to Jido NH
No land has been acquired.
Lordship.
But
My
by NHIDCL.
yes, and by the government for the NHIDCL, the requiring authority is the NHIDCL. Now, my lord, there is only 2 issues in the writ petition. Number 1, Lordship, they have not properly assessed the land, Lordship. I have given with examples that is starting from paragraph 14 to 28. I have given specific examples along with the photographs also.
Paragraph 14 to 28.
Paragraph 14 to 28.
First, we will go to page 37, no?
Yes.
Petitioner page.
This is just a background, Lordship. This is not disputed. My issue is thereafter preliminary notification was
Petition paragraph.
paragraph 14 to 28.
Paragraph 14 to 28.
14 to 28. Preliminary notification is page 39. Thereafter, there was a public notice, page 41.
This is under the NH Act or under the 2013 Act?
2013 Act. Public notice is at page 41. Despite the name being public notice, we were not intimated about this. And Lordship, I have mentioned specifically in paragraph 14 to 28 that this, in respect of petition number 1, petition number 2, and so on, how the assessment was not done. There is something called, they have, my lord, they have coined some term called COS. Lordship may see that, COS. COS means compensation oriented structure. They have alleged that the structures or the things which are there on ground, those are built for the purpose of seeking compensation. That is why it is mentioned CIS or COS. They have said that specifically. So first of all, they have not done proper verification. Secondly, as per section 28 or 26 of the 2013 Act, there is the authority is to determine the market value of the land, Lordship. And there are certain procedures as to how the market value is to be determined by the collector. Your Lordship may know this. This has not been done. They have simply followed a manual wherein, Lordship, wherein everything, all the rates have been fixed. That is unilaterally. That manual is at page 48 to 65. Page 48 to 65 is the manual of rates for land acquisition in Arunachal Pradesh. So
Page, manual?
page 48 to 65. This is the rate which the government has fixed for the purpose of certain things which would be the price of the land and this and that, Lordship. According to this, your Lordship will see in from page 60, from page 66 onwards, Lordship will see this Lordship will see, I have Lordship annexed it part by part with regard to the petitioners. Your Lordship will see the rates which are there. This is as per that manual, Lordship.
67.
So therefore, the exercise on the page, exercise under section 26 has not been complied at all. Now the government is filed affidavit saying that we have followed section 26, then in some part they are saying that we have followed that manual. In some part they have said that we are following section 26(3). Now this is something which your Lordship will Lordship, it's pertinent to point this out. The stand of the government is that as per section 26 clause 3, the government is
No, 2013 Act, that, what is the long name?
right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act.
There. This is not second also. Okay.
Government has said in its affidavit, specifically the affidavit filed by the land department, they have said that we have followed 26(3) of the Lara Act. Now, my lord, from sections 26(1) and 2 are how the market value has to be determined. Now 26(3), your Lordship may see.
Yes.
26, may I read, Lordship? Where the market value under subsection 1 or subsection 2 cannot be determined for the reason that 26(3).
Yes.
I'm arguing what the government has said, Lordship. Not on behalf of the government, it is in advance reply to what the government has said. We have said that section 26(1) and 2 has not been followed, that market rate has not been determined in terms of subsection 1 and 2. They have said we have since the land value is very different and it's not, there are no proper sale deed and that sort of thing. So that is why we have followed section 26(3). Now what section 26(3) says, Lordship? A land that is situated where the market value under subsection 1 and 2 cannot be determined for the reason that the land is situated in such area where the transactions in land are restricted by or under any other law for the timing in force in that area. B, the registered sale deeds or agreements to sell as mentioned in clause A of subsection 1 of similar land are not available for the immediate preceding 3 years, or the market value has not been specified under the Indian Stamp Act by the appropriate authority, the government concerned shall specify the floor price or minimum price per area unit of the land based on the price calculated in the manner specified in subsection 1 in respect of similar types of land situated in the immediate adjoining areas. So that means if it cannot be done in terms because of these reasons, then also that has to be, Lordship, the state government shall specify the floor price or minimum price per unit of the land based on the price calculated in the manner specified in subsection 1. That means under subsection 1, suppose there is a land that in the adjoining area in which the calculation has been done in terms of section 26(1). And in this area B, it cannot be calculated for various reasons. Then the area 1, area A, that calculation has to be taken for the purpose of area B also. So that means the first area, in that first area, section 26(1) has to be followed. It is not the stand. It is not the stand of the government that in the adjoining area that such kind of calculation has been done. So therefore, we are following it. So this also, Lordship, does not sustain. Yes, because in order to apply 26(3), the adjoining area to which the government is relying on has to be an area in which 26(1) has been followed. This is very clear from the proviso.
So government has not
No.
calculation of the adjoining.
No. Simply said we have followed section 26(3). 26(3) is dependent on 26(1). That is what I'm saying. That is number one. Number two, Lordship, we have specifically mentioned, as I have already shown, I have already stated that from paragraph 14 to 28, we have specifically mentioned as to how there was improper verification. In reply to this, Lordship, the affidavit filed by the government, that is respondents 3 and 4, this is by the district administration, and by the land department, there is respondent number 2. The reply in case of the counter affidavit in case of respondent 2, your Lordship will see para 8, 9, 10, and 11. There is no specific denial. In case of respondent 3 and 4, the reply is at para 8 and 9. There also there is no specific denial. We have specifically stated that that are buildings which are very old, and Lordship, just for an example, Lordship may see page 66. This is in case of petitioner number 1. This is the wall, RCC wall. This is the photograph. This is the photograph of my wall, petitioner number 1. Then Lordship will see page 67. This is the compensation sheet which has been drawn. Lordship will see the last column. The last column on the right. RCC wall, COS. Meaning they are not going to pay me for this RCC wall, saying that this is COS. COS means compensation oriented structure. Likewise, Lordship will see all the pages from 66 to Lordship, it's a very long one. From 66 to page 115. I have specifically mentioned, and I have specifically, Lordship, mentioned in all the photographs and everything are given, not only of this, but of many other such instances, Lordship. So when I have said that they have not verified this in a proper manner, government has in the affidavit has not said anything about this. They have simply said we have page 66 to 100 and 15,
115.
115.
Okay.
If I may, my lord, if I may, my lord, mention the page numbers.
Hmm.
In case of petitioner number 1, it's page 66 and 67. Or else, lordship, I can give a chart of the page numbers.
All right.
So my prayer in the writ petition is that because of this improper verification, we have been deprived of a rightful compensation, which we are bound to get, lordship. Now, even lordship, even when the verification was going on, they have not informed us in advance. They simply breeze through everything. We don't know if award is passed also or not. There is nothing in public record to lordship. We only know, except for this compensation, what I have shown in page 67. Only from this we get to know that some of our properties have not been assessed properly. So we had filed several representations also. Lordship, the representations your lordship will see. Complaint, we have also filed complaint and of lordship along with from page 66 to 105 is the particular complaint of the particular petitioners, also the compensation sheet as I have shown, lordship. So lordship will find everything here, lordship. Now, that is why our prayer is that a writ of mandamus may be issued for a fresh assessment, for complete transparency, and that section 26 may be complied. And also, they have, since we have not seen the award, it is not in public domain, so we don't know. But as part of this compensation sheet that has been shown, it is seen that there is no provision for additional compensation also in terms of section 40 clause 5 of the LARA Act. In terms of section 40 clause 5 of the LARA Act, they are also supposed to give us additional compensation, which is not there in the compensation sheet. So we don't know if that will be paid or not. But we are assuming, because this is what they are saying that will be paid to us, we are assuming that it is not there. So our prayer is also for a direction. Section 40 clause 5. Additional compensation of 75% of the total compensation determined under section 27 shall be paid by the collector in respect of land and property for acquisition of which proceedings have been initiated under subsection 1 of this act. They have initiated this provision under the urgency clause. So under this, they are supposed to give us additional compensation. At the cost of repetition, since the award is not in the public domain, since we don't know what will be paid to us except for this compensation register that they have compiled, it seems that no additional compensation is also being paid. So the direction also we are seeking that an additional compensation may be paid to us. So in a nutshell, our prayer is that the land compensation assessment which has been done, that may be lordship set aside, and a fresh assessment may be done. Also, section 26 may be complied with, and also a direction that additional compensation under section 40 clause 5 may be paid to us. Yes.
Yeah. My lord, before opening everything, my lord, petition and the government replies. What it seems, my lord, the disputed facts pertaining to, my lord, verification, quantum amount, all these things, then whether the projects, my lord, is a oriented basis or not, my lord, these are the disputed facts, my lord. I'm sure, my lord, writ court will not interfere with that disputed question of facts, my lord. Now, my lord, coming to this petition, my lord, asking for additional, my lord, compensation under section 40, my lord. My lord, they are they are entitled for 75%, my lord, interest, provided there is a provided, my lord. Now, what provided says, my lord? Now, this is a project, my lord, road connectivity, right, my lord? So, national interest is there, my lord. Security reasons, my lord, national interests are there. If your lordship see, my lord, section 40, my lord, before coming to other, my lord. First, we'll start from my lord, interest, my lord, whether they're entitled for interest or not, my lord.
Okay. Section 40.
Section 40, my lord.
Okay.
Sub clause 5, my lord, they are claiming for this, my lord. Additional compensation of 75% of the total compensation compensation as determined under section 27. Down below, provided, this is very important now, provided no additional compensation will be required to be paid in case the project is one of the effect the sovereignty and integrity of India, security, strategic interest of the state or relation with the foreign states. Now, my lord, security is there, my lord. State interest is there, my lord. It's a road connectivity to the, my lord, Chinese border.
Huh?
Yes, my lord. Perhaps this could be one of the reasons, my lord, why, my lord, they are not giving to this, my lord.
Okay.
Otherwise, my lord, as a state, we don't have any objection, my lord. If the, my lord, user agency, they give, my lord, we are, my lord, be happy to give, my lord.
Connecting to China border or road is starting to the road will.
It's a connectivity, my lord. It's connecting. My lord,
My lord, I am for NHIDCL, my lord, and annexure A of my affidavit in opposition.
वो बाद में बोल रहे हैं ना, गलत. So, my lord,
This year will be very happy.
if they give money, my lord, I'll be very happy to disperse, my lord. I don't have any objection, my lord.
I know.
Now, my lord, coming to, my lord, this proper verification, my lord. Now, as per, my lord, this, since, my lord, this was, I think, section 40 was applied, is a urgency clause, my lord. My lord, urgency clause are done where, my lord, national interest is there. Security, my lord, interests are there, my lord. In that case, my lord, urgency,
Let me.
section 40, my lord, section 40 is a urgency clause, my lord. They are not over. Malay starts Malay special powers in case of urgency to acquire delay in certain cases. So certain cases means national interest, my lord. For calamities, something like that, my lord. So these are the my lord, national interest issues, my lord. In that count, my lord, we can apply for section 40, my lord. And for that, my lord, the landowner, my lord, they'll not entitle for additional compensation, that is 75, with exactly the petition they're asking for, my lord. Now, my lord, coming to my verification, my lord. My lord, the affidavit filed by the Deputy Commissioner ADC, my lord. My lord, let me just point it out, my lord, the affidavit. I'm going to get it. What is the affidavit? My lord, affidavit filed by the Deputy Commissioner and my lord, ADC, my lord, respondent number 3 and 4. My lord, they are very important, my lord, their comments, my lord. My lord, as per paragraph 6, response to my lord, para 7, 8, 9, 12, it says, my lord, the respondent
5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Respondent number 5 and 6.
No, 3 and 4, my lord, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Deputy Commissioner and additional Deputy Commissioner, my lord.
3 and 4.
Thank you, Lord.
We'll get it. Yes.
See, small affidavit. Paragraph 6, my lord. Response to, my lord, the paragraph of the petitioners 7 to 12, my lord. The respondent begs to submit that the survey of the land and the preparation of the land compensation was done in presence of public/landowners, my lord. All assets were surveyed and recorded, including the compensation-oriented structure, cost. My lord, this is the troubleshooter, my lord, cost. We share, my lord.
You are reading which affidavit? Affidavit dated 16 March 26. Oh no, this is affidavit in reply.
Reply, my lord. No, my lord. Reply is different, my lord. It's a.
This is no, the affidavit in opposition, respondent number 2. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Affidavit filed by
Affidavit
23 February 2026, 23. Got it, my lord?
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Please read once more.
Paragraph 6, my lord?
23 January.
Yes,
Affidavit by
3 and 4, my lord.
on 23
To 2026.
2026. Okay.
Your lordship got it, my lord?
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord. Paragraph,
Yes.
paragraph 6, my lord. May I just read again, my lord? That with regards to the above made in
Just a
paragraph.
moment, I think we will stop at this case only because I think we will have to spill over also tomorrow. Any other matters remaining? It will be left over. Any other remaining matters will be left over. Any other remaining matters will be left over.
Item number 8, Your Lordship. The subsequent development has taken place, Your Lordship. So,
My lord, my lord, sorry, I forget to mention in item number 3, there is an interim, it may be continued, my lord.
Interim?
Yes, my lord.
You were there in, no. Item number 3.
3.
Taken down, I don't know.
Adjournment.
Who has taken down the dictation, item number 3? Item number
Item number 3, my lord.
3, who has taken down the dictation?
Item number 2 is
Huh?
adjournment, my lord.
I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Oh, Sarma. Oh, Gitato. Okay, okay. So Gitato is taken down. Item number 3. You tell him there's an interim order. To type that interim order will continue till the next date of listing. Just tell him, okay?
Okay. Deeply obliged, my lord.
Please tell him, huh? There's an interim order till the next date of listing. Item number 3. Gitato.
Your Honor, item number 10. I'm representing for the petitioner.
It will be left over. Left over.
Left over.
Huh? Left over.
Lordship, item number 8, Your Lordship. I have given one letter, the subsequent development taken place, wherein a letter was issued banning the petitioner from participation in ASB organized badminton events and activities.
Okay.
So in view of the letter, this writ petition may be closed, Your Lordship. And if advised, Lordship, the liberty may be given to file a fresh writ petition challenging this.
Or this may be closed. Okay, then
Because
you'll
this
have
was,
to wait till
the letter
end.
was not impugned, Lordship.
Okay, huh? You'll
This
have to wait till the end then. Because I'll have to go through it. Before closing, I'll have to go through it. And other matters will be left over. Except item number 8, other matters will be left over.
In that case, Your Lordship, this matter will come up after vacation, Lordship.
After vacation?
Yes.
Okay. Item number 8, list this matter after vacation. Or let it be left over then. That is better, left over. Item number 8, don't write any orders. You can mention and you can place it before any court. Tomorrow, I think we'll have to continue hearing this. And then
My lord, I'll cut short, I'll take another 10, 15, not more than that.
then I'll have to pass the order also, no? Because I cannot reserve so many cases for CAV also. There are too many, already I have collected too many CAVs. I'll have to dictate the order in court. And I will need your assistance also to dictate the order in court. So I'll, tomorrow I think it will continue.
Continue karega? Acha. Then I proceed, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Then paragraph 6, my lord.
Paragraph 6, yes?
Yes. That with regard to the above mentioned paragraph 7 to 12 of the writ petition, the respondent begs to submit that the survey of the land and the preparation of land compensation were done in presence of the public/land owners. All assets surveyed and recorded, including the compensation-oriented structure, some of the properties were marked as cost because it is genuinely found to be cost as it was constructed newly. My lord, newly means what, my lord? From the date of previous notification, my lord, there cannot be any activities. Prior to my lord, previous notification, they have every right to claim for compensation. Once previous notification is published, then after that, my lord, no activities can be carried out. All activities carried out, construction, all these things, they comes under this, my lord, compensation-oriented structures, my lord. This could be the reason, my lord, why my lord, it was not included, my lord. Right, my lord? Then, my lord, rate of the property was allotted as per the market rate. The survey team / board members were constituted so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so, my lord. Now, my lord, paragraph 7, my lord. Now, the respondent begs to submit that the authority has not adopted the uniform rate of land but followed the manual for land compensation in Arunachal Pradesh 2022, as well as the section 26 of the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation, resettlement act 2023. Now, my lord, the Land Council for the petitioner was saying, my lord, this section 26 subclause 3, my lord, we apply that, my lord, privilege because, my lord, in Arunachal Pradesh, if you lordship aware, my lord, there is no any specific rate available, my lord, like Assam type, my lord. Now we don't have also.
We have a rate.
Yes, my
rate
lord.
chart.
Then market will, all these things are, my lord. If the deputy commissioner fails to determine the market value, the option is, my lord, clause 3, my lord, subclause 3 of section 26, my lord. So that gives the power, just give the power to the state government to make a, my lord, flat rate for either for the district or as a whole, my lord. Now, this formula was applied. If you lordship peruse, my lord, the manual for land acquisition in Arunachal Pradesh 2022, my lord, there is a format given. And also, my lord, district, land, and varieties, my lord, like water, my lord, WRC, my lord, water, rice cultivation.
Even the manual.
Yes, my lord, I have, my lord. Manual, they have also annexed, my lord, in the petitions.
Okay, please, 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 what is the name? Manual?
My lord, is a manual for land acquisition in Arunachal Pradesh.
Acquisition.
In Arunachal Pradesh 2022, my lord.
BP 2022.
This manual is, my lord, if I say, my lord, just replica of, my lord, 2013 Act. Yes, nothing, my lord, difference is there, my lord.
In Assam also we have.
Yes, my lord.
Local.
Yes. Now, my lord, as per this manual, my lord, my lord, Annexure 6, as per this manual, my lord, land classification rate for land acquisition, my lord, is there. District-wise basis, my lord. Suppose for industrial, then commercial, resident, WRC, horticulture, uncultivated land, June land, my lord, for all district rates as prescribed, my lord. So based on this, my lord, the only, my lord, bona fide land beneficiaries, they were given compensation, my lord. Now, assessment, then, my lord, quantum amount, well, my understanding in land compensation is, as a district collector, my lord, he don't have any authority to impose, my lord. It's a proposal that I made a market survey. This is the quantum of rate I determine whether you accept or not. My lord, it's up to the landowner to accept or not to accept. If accepts, well and good. If not accept, he can go for reference. Section 64 is there, my lord.
Reference.
Yes, ma'am. If he's not satisfied, yes, if he's not satisfied with the determination of land, then quantum of amount. Here is both, my lord. Their allegation is that, my lord, proper verification is not done. The quantum of amount is not up to their market value, and structure does not come under cost oriented, my lord.
Reference report of district judge.
No, it says not district. Yes, district judge. I'm sorry. Yes, my lord.
Sure.
Yes, my lord. Under section 64, my lord. Now, my lord, read code, my lord, how to determine when the question is disputed, whether the structure is, my lord, after the preliminary notification or prior to preliminary notification, my lord. Now, we are totally handicapped, my lord, sitting here to determine whether, my lord, that wall was, my lord, which they have annexed, my lord, in this photograph.
It is COS, but according to her, it is an old wall.
Yes, my lord. These are the disputed, my lord. Now, who can determine? It is the civil code who can determine, my lord. We cannot determine because disputed facts, my lord. Who say, my lord, after the preliminary notification, you erected. They say, no, it is prior to, my lord, preliminary notification, my lord.
One looks very old, but.
My lord, I don't know.
All moldy and mossy.
My lord,
Maybe other constructions need
But-
new, but one looks very old.
my lord, picture seems to be old. Your lordship knows, my lord, Arunachal is a moisturous state, my rainfall, my lord. Then the second question comes, my lord. Now, the authenticity of this picture, my lord, who certified, my lord? No one certified. This is the, my lord, exact, my lord, the property which was declared as, my lord, compensation oriented structure, my lord. Now, my lord, these are the disputed question of fact, my lord. We cannot determine in proceedings, my lord. Now, at the best, my lord, if they are not satisfied with the, my lord, verification, my lord, although, my lord, district administration is dead, my lord, they have been given notified, my lord. If your lordship sees, my lord, the Your lordship may kindly come to page 44, my lord. The one thing will be clear, my lord, that the petitioner, they are aware, my lord, about the proceedings, my lord. Page 44, my lord, this is the representation dated 19/5/2025, my lord.
Read petition, page 44 of read petition.
Yes, my lord, annexure for series, my lord. Is a represent.
44 of read petition.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Address to the Deputy Commissioner, my lord, Upper Siang District, Incheon, dated 19/5/2025. Prayer, my lord, subject. Prayer for resurvey of the land following changes as genuine assets have not been asset during the survey, and also some genuine standing asset like retaining wall, bricks wall, irrigation channel has been kept in the list of the compensation oriented structure without proper verification. Right, my lord? Then, my lord, down below is very interesting, my lord. Sir, with due respect, would like to state that your good office has issued number so and letter number so and so 19/4/2025, wherein project affected family has been given opportunity to place grievances before your office within time frame of 30 days. So we are grateful for your order, my lord. So meaning thereby, my lord, they are aware, my lord, about the measurement, everything, my lord. If the landed deputy commissioner has not accepted, my lord, he is the, my lord, revenue officer, then, my lord, then also, my lord, as per this land acquisition, my lord, he is the acquiring authority also, my lord. Right, my lord?
So it is true, no, that they have submitted representation.
No doubt about that, my lord. Yes, my lord, they have submitted. Agreed, my lord.
They are
Now,
so they have submitted.
they have submitted, my lord. If the deputy commissioner does not, my lord, act as per their, my lord, request or whatever representation submitted, why, my lord, they have not opted to section 64, my lord? Then now they may say, my lord, we are not aware of the award, all these things. Then how do you know, my lord, that this project are not included, not excluded? The names are included as this property are excluded as a cost, my lord. How do they know, my lord? They must be aware about the compensation also, my lord. Now, one thing is very clear, my lord. Assessment was not done. They are very aware of that. Now, these structures that has been not enlisted in the, my lord, compensation, saying that it was a compensation-oriented structure, my lord. They are aware of that, my lord. The two things are very clear, my lord. Then, my lord, market value, if it is not done as per the market value, then, my lord, the best option mechanism could have been, my lord, section 64, my lord. They could have asked the deputy commissioner for a reference, my lord, and deputy commissioner cannot sit over that also, my lord. He is bound to, my lord, refer it to the reference court, my lord. So these are the, my lord, remedies available, my lord. If they are not satisfied with the assessment done by the deputy commissioner, or, my lord, this disputed question of fact, that can be showed in the reference court also, my lord. And that is the best option, my lord. The matter may be, my lord, if they want, my lord, they can still, of course, my lord, time is lapsed, my lord. But
Started the construction.
not that it started, Why I'm saying,
It's been acquired for the roads.
yes, my lord, because,
NHIDCL,
yes, my lord, there is a limitation, my lord.
Ministry of
Road transport,
Huh?
road transport, my lord.
Mort, no?
Mort.
We are called Mort.
Mm.
Okay. We will take up your hearing tomorrow at 2 then.
Milord,
And reply also tomorrow.
very short,
And
Milord.
tomorrow at 2.
Only one.
It is saturated today.
Only I want to say on
One appeal
section
I heard
40
from
minutes.
King and one appeal, one order.
हो जाएगा,
Kal karna hai to.
Two.
Of
I'm not
light.
able to absorb anymore.
All right, my lord, tomorrow, my lord.
Going out.
Yes.
To say only on section
You
40.
won't stay back tomorrow?
No, he'll be here, my lord.
He's
almost
a local council.
2. At 2.
At 2.
Not in the evening, at 4. At 2.
Very well, my lord.
Otherwise, I have nothing to say, Milord.
No, you please say. NHIDCL always don't have anything to say. You please say tomorrow. At 2.
Or you say anything
They are
on your
very
deposit amount.
happy,
That's
but
it.
the government is not willing to pay. So they are always happy.
My lord, out of record, my lord, we are ready to pay, my lord, provided they give us money, my lord. Our duty is to disperse. Make the assessment and make the payment, my lord.
Okay,
All right,
Learned-
tomorrow, my lord.
Of light.
Learned Council, Miss.
N. Dangan. N. Dangan.
And
Dangan.
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 Miss N. Dangan is present for the Learned Council. Miss N. Dangan is heard Learned Council. Miss N. Dangan for the petitioners, comma, Learned a government advocate, no? R.S. Nabam.
Double AG.
Double AG. Learned double AG, Mr. Additional AG, Mr. R.S. Nabam. R.S. no?
Yes, correct.
Nabam for
Respondent 1 to 4.
the respondent number 1 to
1 to 4.
4. And Learned Council, Mr.
RB Yadav.
R.B. Yadav for the NHIDCL.
Yes, respondent number 5 and 6.
Respondent number 5 and 6. As part, at least this matter as part of matter on tomorrow, what is the date? 17, no?
Tomorrow,
2 p.m.
2 p.m.
I'll dictate the order. I'll take your help.
My lord,
Here the reply, you are not,
yes,
not,
in my-
not agreeing with the section 64.
my lord. And I have very good reasons to say so.
So I
In case your lordship has trouble remembering my name, in the Google,
your name
in
is
the,
Nikita.
yes,
Your
in
Nikita, no, but that
Dangan.
name, no?
Yeah.
Surname also
If your lordship types the suggestion that would come is danger. Dangan. That is what. Yes.
your name, but Nikita, I remember.
Surname is
Different.
Deeply all
Very
right.
difficult.
Oblige.
I do this part, no, you finish up like this. Okay. This is most important. If I forget this, then it's gone. Everything is gone.